Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start now on your Samsung TV open settings and enable Apple AirPlay settings so the TV can accept incoming streams. On your iPhone or iPad, confirm Wi-Fi is the same network as the TV. This is essential for discovery and low latency. On a Mac, choose the Wi-Fi menu and match the network. If prompted on the TV, set access to everyone or require a code. Choose what balances convenience versus security. Once done, you'll be ready to locate the TV from your iPhone or iPad. Swipe to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the Samsung TV name you enabled earlier. This starts the stream. On a Mac, use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or go to System Preferences, Displays, then choose the TV. Adjust resolution if the picture looks stretched. If the TV asks for code, type it into your device. That pairs them temporarily. Make sure volume and do not disturb settings won't block audio or alerts during casting. Finish by testing playback. Play a video or mirror your home screen. Adjust TV input if needed, though AirPlay usually appears as its own source. If audio is out of sync, pause then resume the content, and verify TV sound settings are not set to external speakers. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV doesn't appear, power cycle the TV, your phone, and the router in that order. This clears network discovery issues and often restores AirPlay connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.